fireworks going off at once look like. Check this out. Some photos from a fireworks show last night at a local lake that backfired and injured several. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Keisha Lopez. The fireworks show was put on for free by a marina on Lake Whitney. Matt Halligan went there this afternoon and explains what in the world happened.
It's hard to miss Harbor Master Marina. It's been nestled here on Lake Whitney for nearly 30 years. Every 4th of July weekend, they put on a free fireworks show.
It's very beautiful on the water. If you can have real light winds, and clear skies, it's fantastic.
Hundreds of boats and onlookers come to be wowed. Thousands of fireworks are purchased.
We try to keep everything sitting behind that steel there back here.
And are shot from this barge. But halfway during this year's show, something went wrong. Marina owner Bob Walker explains.
One of the fireworks misfired, where it usually goes 60 to 65 feet high. It went about 8 feet high. The sparks came back, landed, and the rest was history then.
Every firework on the barge went off within seconds.
And it just blew me right out here.
12 men, including Walker, were thrown into the water. His arm and body were burned during the accident. Another man was sent to the hospital.
These artillery shells here is what misfired.
Walker says faulty artillery shells caused the mishap. This isn't the first fireworks accident Harbor Master Marina has seen. A similar one occurred 10 years ago. But will this accident stop the fireworks for good? Walker says no, and is just thankful things weren't worse.
It would have been so damn easy for somebody to have been seriously